In 2020, Statistica.com placed the value of the global cocoa processing market at about $12.4 billion with a forecast to reach $14.6 billion by 2027. Dominica, Grenada, St. Lucia and St. Vincent and the Grenadines are the four main cocoa-producing member states in the OECS Economic Union. The attraction of the OECS as a cocoa-growing area is primarily due to the rich flavor and quality of OECS cocoa beans. Generally, bean production and harvesting are done by cottage-scale processors manufacturing chocolates and cocoa-based products. Only a few commercial processors in the OECS have linkages with foreign markets. One of the aims of the ACP TradeCom 2 program is to identify opportunities for economic development while strengthening the trade capacity of the OECS in the areas of policy and technical competence. One of the key components is to identify the potential for growth and development of the cocoa industry in the OECS member states through a value chain analysis of the industry. In pursuit of the goal of expansion and growth of the cocoa industry, the value chain analysis identified the need for developing ultra-niche marketing and building deeper linkages in manufacturing and tourism at the local and regional levels. It also suggests identifying investment capital for modernization of the value chain while eliminating the unbalanced focus on farm-level subsidies and support. To promote a viable regional cocoa industry, farmers need support in pest and disease identification and management, improved irrigation techniques, and cocoa agronomy, along with technical support in diagnostic testing and soil sampling. To encourage investment in the value chain, there must be financial incentives for investing in value-added operations, including processing wet and dry beans for the manufacture of cocoa-based products, coupled with technical support in packaging and quality assurance. Based on the global demand for cocoa-based products, regional cocoa production has an attractive future. The opportunity is mainly in the chocolate and cocoa-based products market rather than the beans. The research has revealed that the establishment of an OECS cocoa industry development project management team and a centralized cocoa technical resource facility would be beneficial to the industry. This technical facility would provide support for the development of various components of the value chain, spanning cocoa farming to manufacturing and marketing.